Hi, good afternoon.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. You tell me, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, so you're in which class?
I'm in fourth standard, ma'am. And what?
I am doing my graduation. I'm a college student, so I am in in college. And yeah, so you're in the fourth standard. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English and maths.
Oh,
And what
that's nice.
your favorite subject?
I am not in school anymore, but when I was in school, my favorite subject was also English.
And right now you're in college. So which subject do you like?
In college, I'm studying sociology. I
So
think
do you
you
like
don't.
subject?
Yes, I love it. I don't think you know about sociology, but when you grow up, you will definitely know about it. It is very interesting. Okay, so how long have you been here on Clappingo?
This is my 24th session.
Oh, that's nice. So, how has your journey been?
It was a great and
Oh, that's nice. So, how long have you been here? Oh wait, you said 24th session. Where are you from?
I am from Mumbai and
Oh,
what about you, ma'am?
I am from Assam,
Assam. So where are you from, Assam? From Assam.
Guwahati.
And I am from Navi Mumbai, Ghanswali.
Oh, okay. But now I'm living in Delhi because my college is in Delhi.
Yes, so you have to. Don't you? Are your parents with you, or are they staying where you were born?
They are staying in Assam. I am here in Delhi.
So don't you miss your parents?
Yes, I do, but like what there's no other option. I have to complete my education, so I'm here. Yeah. Okay, so Ritika is your name?
Yes, my name is Ritika Lodhi.
Okay. So Ritika, today's topic is winning the lottery.
Winning the lottery.
Yes. So you tell me, what do you know about lottery? What is a lottery?
Just like a ticket,
Okay.
and or they in the mobile or laptop or in TV, they show you the numbers.
Okay. Yes. True.
They tell the numbers. For if the number is 21, first one, the second is 30, third, so you won.
Correct.
But,
That's nice. That's correct.
sometimes people make a mistake while they are doing yoga. Their head, the legs are up and the head is down. See the numbers wrong. So the people's they get angry and they say, I lost, someone else has won, so they lose the ticket. And
Yeah.
that sometimes that mistake happens, and
Yeah.
so just like that.
Okay, I get it. So then somebody else picks up somebody else's ticket? Could you hear me?
No, a little bit, but
I
sometimes.
said that, yeah, so sometimes somebody else picks up somebody else's ticket by mistake.
Yes.
Okay. So what would you do if you won a lottery of, let's say, 1 crore rupees?
What would I do?
Yeah.
I would my mother say that when I become an IAS officer, I will help the people in need.
Yeah. So
My mother and my.
So what kind of help? What do you think people need? Like whether it could be education or healthcare or just to elevate, remove poverty as in, poor people. Yeah.
It is education.
Why did you choose
And
that?
you must education and
Is there some issue with the
because
network?
that others know that poor kids are studying, so they don't. Yes, I think it's from my side because I can't. Sometimes you are moving, but sometimes you're
Yeah,
freezing.
I saw my network. It's fine. So I think it's from your side, but it's okay. I can hear you. So yeah, you speak. It's okay.
You know that small kids whose age is 7 or 8, they want to go in a higher school to study
Yeah,
more. So, but they don't have enough money.
true.
So we can help them. And what about you, ma'am? If you want the lottery ticket?
It's the same, exactly the same thing, and in fact, it is my dream also to build more schools when I become like when I earn a certain amount of money after like say 10 to 15 years. I will start building a few schools at least. It's my dream, because even I feel that education is very important. It is like a basic necessity for everyone, and unfortunately it is just a privilege of some people because not everyone can afford it. So if we can provide education to poor people with like without taking any money from them, or like just say minimum money, it would be great. So yeah, that's nice, that's great. So who all do you live with in your house?
I live with my mother, father, and 3 younger sisters.
Oh, so you're the eldest sister.
And
That is
yes, and what
amazing.
about you, ma'am?
Even I am the eldest sister. I have one younger brother.
Oh, so is he little bit big?
Yeah, he is big only. He is now in class 11. Yeah. So what is the pressure on you to be a role model for your younger sisters?
That is at today what happened. I went to. I said to my younger sister is feeling sick. So what happened? I left my mobile here. What did my younger young who is 2 years old? She came on the table and she climbed by a chair. Then she started to watch mobile.
Oh,
I said, "Give me the mobile." She was beating like this. No, no, no. She was saying, I said, "I will not let you drink the lemon juice mother is making right now. You will not drink." So she started to cry. At night,
oh.
whenever my mother, father, or whoever go to school or not school, my mother
Office, work.
and my mother when my mother has went outside with my father to buy something for my sister
Don't say has went, okay? Has gone.
has
Has gone.
gone.
Yeah.
So what would she do? She will take the mobile on the chair and she will do like this,
Mm-hmm.
dance, and
Yeah.
if the ad is coming, what she will cry. She will say to me, "Didi, remove, Didi, remove." I will say, "Bye. You also have hands."
Yeah,
That's
correct.
a bad habit.
That's
You know what, ma'am? She take the mobile near her eyes. We always try
that
to
is
put down.
yeah, that is a bad habit. So you should like, whenever you tell her, because then you will have to wear specs like me. Even I wear specs because I look at the screen like this. So you should not do it. You should tell your younger sister. Plus she's very young, so if she starts to view screen from this distance at this age, then when she'll grow up she will have serious eye problems. So
And
tell
if
her.
you if she never keep this way, she keep it here near her.
Oh, that is
And
bad.
so I also want to watch with her story.
Yeah.
What would I will ask? Please put it down. What again? She will do this.
Yes, you tell her, you tell her.
And you know what? Today something happened to my sister. She was sitting
What happened?
watching mobile. She was dancing. Suddenly she was slapped and then she turned over, fall down. She was started to cry and my father was laughing. At night also, my another sister who is 4 years old, she was sleeping, reading a book. My father asked her to write. She was crying. She was saying, "I want to stand on the right hand, right leg." And I said, "No, I will stand on the right leg." She was started to read. She also fall asleep and she did like this. Then suddenly she fall down. And it was so funny. My father couldn't look at right now when we were eating food, we were discussing about that what happened at night. And what about you, ma'am? Have you ever something happened in your house very funny?
Oh, happens all the time. When I was a bit younger, my brother and I, we used to fight a lot, and we used to just like hit each other. Now that we've grown up, we have started to develop a bond. So yeah, now we are pretty close, but that time we used to fight a lot. So yeah.
Ma'am, what means develop?
Huh?
Develop.
Develop means to grow something, like let's say, to develop an app, a phone app means to make it, or to like, if you type it on Google, develop meaning, let me just see, I'll just give you the correct meaning. Develop means to grow or cause to grow or become more mature, advanced. So let's say that city got developed means what? That city became better, it became more enhanced, it grew. So when I say my and my brother's bond developed, it means that we became closer.
Ma'am, when you were saying what means develop, suddenly
Okay.
you were not. If I was not able to hear you.
Okay, let me just type it out in the chat box then.
Echo sound is coming.
Got it. Just a second. You see the chat? I will write it here. This is the meaning of develop. Can you see? Can you see the chat? So, it means grow or, yeah, develop.
Yes, grow.
So basically, if I say that city got developed, it means that city became more better. Like it became better with better, let's say, streets, better infrastructure, better buildings. That means it developed. And when I say my and my brother's bond developed over the years, it means our bond became more like stronger, it became more advanced, like. Also, you can also say like a child develops. When a child develops, it could be the child grows up or becomes more mature. So one day your sister is your sister will be developed into a your sister will develop into a better human being, like that. So that way.
Ma'am, still do you and your brother fight?
Yeah, sometimes we do. Yeah. So okay, so that was really
too young, so
you also fight?
Yes, and we fight for small.
Yeah. Okay.
If we want the eraser, so we will.
Like that. Get it. Okay, so since we've almost come to an end, I have some feedback for you. So I want you to practice more exercises on tenses. Your English is very good, you are very confident, but I see some mistakes with tenses. You see the chat box, okay? I'm writing. So you can, what you have to do is you have to, past tense, present tense, future tense, right? So you need to read the rules of tenses from your book or internet, wherever you can, rules of tenses. And you also have to practice certain exercises on tenses. So you read first the rules, you note them down, and then you check the examples also. So if in your English book, I'm sure tenses will be there, or you can use Google, you write tenses, write rules of tenses, different types of tenses. So yeah, types of tenses. So if it's very important for you, then your English will become like even better. It's already excellent, so you have to like just do tenses. So yeah, if you improve your tense, I think your English will be perfect. So yeah, all the best.
Oh, thanks. Thank
So
you.
do you have anything to say?
No, sir. No, ma'am.
Okay, then I'll see you. Yes.
Can you? How did you learn this English? I like your English.
You like my English? That's great. When I was young, I used to read a lot of books. So now that you are in your fourth standard, I would suggest you to read some books. So, there's this author called Enid Blyton. So you should chat box again, Enid Blyton. You should read her books, you know. So you should start reading Secret 7 by her. Secret 7. Secret 7. There are a lot of books under Secret 7. It's a series, so you can pick up any book. It's very small and it will be good for you. Secret 7 is the book you should watch, you should read. It's not one book, it's many parts are there. So you start with, you just buy any.
So, ma'am, can I buy? Do they sell or in YouTube?
No, you can go to Amazon. Tell your parents, go to Amazon or any other site and buy the books. Okay. And thanks for saying you like my English. Then keep booking sessions with me. I also loved talking to you. I really enjoyed, and I'm excited to see what you will do in your life.
You will enjoy more with my sister.
Oh, then bring her also. Yes.
She talked too much and she asked many questions. Oh, when did you learn this English? How old are you? She will ask these questions.
Oh, that's very sweet. That's very sweet. Bring her soon. Okay. Okay. Bye, bye, Ritika.